Hello guys, in this video I will teach you how to implement some mathematical function in Python. Okay, let me first import the math module by writing import math, and then I will declare a variable a and give it a value of 25, for example. Alright, so the first function we're going to talk about is called isFinite. isFinite check whether a value is finite or not. We can test it by writing print and then inside the parentheses math.isfinite, and inside the parentheses you can specify the a variable. Let's find out what is the result of this statement. It's actually true because a is a finite value. Alright, the second function we need to talk about is called isnan. Isnan check wherever a variable has a non-number value. Let me comment this one first. So we can test it by writing print math.isnan and specify the a variable. So because this is a number value, we will get false. Isnan check whether the variable has a non-number value, so it's going to be false. Let's find out. Indeed, it's false. The result is false. Okay, and the third function we need to talk about is called the square root function. Let's give it a try by printing the value of the square root of a. So we need to write math.square and inside the parentheses a. So we will get 5 actually. The square root of 25 is 5. Yes, we get 5. So that's how you can implement some of mathematical function of Python. I hope you got some value from this video. Thanks for watching. Feel free to like, share and comment. Thanks.